Prism stands for excellence. Not only do we see excellence academically, but also sports-wise. We are trying to push the boundaries of excellence by coming up with new programs that will meet the needs of the future.
As students, you are in a unique position to make a difference. The way you think, the businesses you build, and the values you uphold will shape the future of our country. Driving inclusive growth isn't just about making profits or making money. It's about making sure those profits help everyone.
Influencer marketing is a structural shift. It is no longer just a trend. Influence is power, and every post that you make, if you have that power, is a ripple.
Seek well-being, not just happiness. Build optimism, set specific intentions, stay focused, push through the pain, and nurture relationships that matter. I wish every one of you a life of meaning and strong and positive relationships.
Marketing or business isn't just about making the sales or the profit. It's about using your competence, your innovation, your imagination to make a difference. And when all businesses start thinking this way, we don't just build profits, we can really build a nation.
At the end of the day, kung hindi nyo masyadong enjoy yung ginagawa nyo, hindi nyo gagawin. Di ba? Kasi konting trabaho lang, ayoko na magtrabaho, uwi na tayo. Di ba? Kaya lang kung gusto mo, kung hilig nyo yung ginagawa nyo, maski na Sabado, Linggo, para kang hindi nagtatrabaho. Kasi nag-enjoy kayo eh. If you're doing something you enjoy, the business will come to you.
Kasi ang kailangan lang naman natin gawin is maging curious. Tandaan nyo, mindset matters. AI will amplify, not replace. All of you here, 2,000 sa inyo are the future of our nation.
AI is a tool, but it is really us as leaders who will utilize and maximize that tool so that it will support us to be better leaders out there.
Ang question niyo po paano mag-move on, di ba? Hayaan niyo lang pong masaktan kayo hanggang sa hindi na masakit.
The interesting thing here is that you are right in the middle of this moment where you are in the position to bring to life and to shape what the future is. Good luck, everyone. You get to write the next chapter, and see you in 2030.
You have the opportunity to be part of something bigger than just business. You can be part of a movement that lifts up our community, reduces poverty, and ensures a brighter future for all Filipinos.
We all have the responsibility to make ethical decisions around influencer marketing because this is a way to promote a positive digital ecosystem.
future marketers, entrepreneurs, and business leaders, you really hold the power to make change happen.
Do not fear failure, but be terrified of regret.
I want you to understand it will be hard. It's not going to be an easy road. But man, here, it's so fulfilling. Because you will see other people grow. It's because dahil sa'yo, kinaya rin nila.
This event actually gives the future business leaders this opportunity to talk about trending business topics.
There are so many realities that we have to learn, a lot of challenges that students and their parents have to face.
Prism is a good event for the future professionals because it brings together the best minds in the industry that will help them in their future careers.